Good morning, student. Today we are going to revision section of chapter number 6, linear inequality. So first of all, discuss n. N, that means set of natural numbers. So which number present in set means n. So here we can written 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. After integer number denoted by the symbol z. Now which number present in set z? So here we can written all these negative number 0, as well as here we can written positive number. Okay, now r that means real number. Now real number, here we can represent a real number is like in number line. So here we can mention minus infinitive. This means this part here written minus infinitive and here written infinitive. Okay, so real number represent in number line. Okay, now always remember here infinitive form is represented in open interval form. So here we can written minus infinitive and here written infinitive. Okay, now after discuss some example, so exercise 6.1 question number 3. Solve 5x minus 3 less than 7 condition is present when first condition x is an integer and second question x is a real number. Okay. So first of all, our solve this equation and find out the value of x. Now after here two condition is present. So using by these two condition and using by these two condition we can return answer. So first of all, solve these equations of 5x minus 3 less than 7. Minus 3 written in opposite side and change the sign. So therefore 5x less than 7 plus 3. So therefore 5x less than 7 plus 3, that means 10. Now divide by 5. So x less than 10 divided by 5, that means 2. Now our first question, x is an integer. So how can we return the answer? Here condition is present x less than 2. So first of all we can draw one number line. Here we can return the position of minus infinitive and here written the position of infinitive. Now suppose here written position is 2. Okay, here written 1, 0, minus 1 and here written 3, 4 up to infinite position. Now here less than form is present, x less than 2, less than sign is present this side. Okay, now here 2 is present here. Okay, less than sign is present in this side. So here our answer is like present between 2 to minus infinity. That means minus infinity to 2. But here open interval form is present and integer. Integer x is an integer. Integer, that means which number present in integer? So negative number, 0 as well as positive number. But strictly less than 2 is present, so we can not include 2. So in this situation answer, the solution set return uh, up to here compulsory return dotted line. Okay, now today I am checking homework, so maximum student written here small bracket. This answer written like this bracket. So first of all, the integer form always written in means like this symbol set form. Here we can not using by this symbol. Clear? So here written -3, -2, -1, 0 and 1. Here x less than 2 is present, so we cannot include 2. So our answer is set of -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 set over. Here less than equality is present, so we can include 2. Suppose here less than equal to form is present, so here we can return 2 also. But here only strictly less than form is present, less than 2 is present, so we cannot include 2. Okay, so our answer is and here compulsory written dotted line up to infinite form. This dotted line, that means here infinitive form is present. So now second condition is present. Second condition, x is a real number. X is a real number. Okay, so again here draw number line. Here written the position of minus infinitive and here written infinitive form. Now suppose we can consider, suppose 2 is present like here. Now in case of real number, answer represent in interval form, open interval or close interval form. Now here minus infinitive form is present, so always remember infinitive is represented by open interval form, that means small bracket form. So minus x less than 2, less than symbol is present here. Okay, that means our answer is like between minus infinitive to 2. So final answer written like this way, the solution set is open interval minus infinitive to 2. Clear? Okay. Now question number 4. Next question. Solve 3x plus 8 greater to when condition is present x is an integer. Second condition is present x is a real number. So again same method apply here. First of all, simplify this equation. So first written here 3x plus 8 greater to. Now 8 written in opposite side and change the sign. Here plus sign is present. Now 8 written in opposite side. So here we can written minus sign. So therefore 3x greater to minus 8. 2 minus 8, that means 3x greater minus 6. Now divide by 3. So therefore x greater minus 6 divided by 3. So therefore x greater minus 2. Now again here first condition is present. first question is x is an integer. So again integer form is present. Integer, that means z. So we can understand in number line. Here minus infinity and here infinite form is present. Now minus 2 is present here, minus 1 is present, okay, minus 3 is present here, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 up to. Now position of minus 2 is present here, but here strictly, okay, here first of all here greater than form is present. Greater than, that means arrow is going on this side. So our answer is during between minus 2 to infinity. Now here strictly greater form is present. So that's why we cannot consider the value of minus 2. Here greater than equal to form is present. So we can consider the value of minus 2. But here strictly greater form is present. So our answer is the solution set. Now answer is written in set form. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and up to. Compulsory here mentioned is dotted sign, because this dotted sign is going up to infinite. Suppose here written minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and set over. So this answer is wrong, because this line is not stop here. This line is going up to infinite term. So that's why here we can written compulsory up to dotted line. Second condition, x is a real number. So again, real, in case of real number, answer represent in interval form, open interval or close interval form. Here strictly greater form is present. That means here answer represent in open interval form. Now here minus infinity, here infinity, minus 2 is present here. Greater form is present. That means our answer is lying between minus 2 to infinity, but here open interval form is present. So written here the solution set is open interval minus 2 to infinite. Clear? Okay. Now our next question, solve the inequality for real number x. So in this question only find out the value of x, and here condition is present, the value of x is present in real number. That means answer is represented by interval form. So our next question, exercise 6.1, question number 11. 3 into bracket x minus 2 upon 5 less than equal to 5 into bracket 2 minus x upon 3. So how can we solve this question? So our first step, these 3 multiply opposite side and 5 multiply this side. So 3 3 are 9 into bracket x minus 2 less than equal to 5 5 are 25 into bracket 2 minus x. Now after open this bracket, so 9 into x, that means 9x, minus 9 into 2 means 18, less than equal to 25 into 2 means 50, minus 25 into x, that means 25x. Now 25x written in opposite side, here minus sign is present, so written in opposite side, so written here plus. and here 50 is present, so here we can written plus sign. So therefore 9x plus 25x less than equal to 50 plus 18. Therefore 25x plus 9, that means here we can written 34x less than equal to 50 plus 80 means 68. Now divide by these two. So x less than 68 divided by 34. So therefore x less than equal to 2. But how can be represented in solution set? So therefore here we can written the solution set is, okay. Now arrow is going from this side, x less than equal to 2 means arrow is going from left side. So here we can written minus infinitive, and strictly less than equal to form is present. So here we can written close interval 2. Here we cannot written open intervals. Less than equality form is present. So that's why here we can written compulsory close interval form. But always remember my infinitive and minus infinitive represent in open interval form. So our answer is open close. How can we read this interval? So read open close interval minus infinitive to 2. Next question. Question number 12. 1 upon 2 into bracket 3x upon 5 plus 4 bracket over greater than equal to 1 upon 3 into bracket x minus 6. So first here two side bracket form is present, but here denominator term is not present, but in this side denominator term is present, that means LCM is present. So first of all take LCM in first bracket. 1 by 2 written as it is. In bracket 3x plus 5 4 is 20 upon 5 greater than equal to 1 upon 3 bracket x minus 6. 5 2 ja 10. Okay, 3 written this side and 10 written for opposite side. So 3 into bracket 3x plus 20 greater than equal to 5 2 ja 10. So 10 into bracket x minus 6. Now after open this bracket, so 3 into 3 that means 9x. 20 into 3 means 60. Greater than equal to 10 into x means 10x minus 10 into 6 means 60. Okay. Now this 60 and this 60 cancel out or not? No. Why? Because here plus sign is present and here minus sign is present. In both the sides same sign is present, so cancel out this term. Now plus 10x written in opposite side. Here plus sign is present and written in opposite side, so written here minus sign. So 9x minus 10x greater than equal to minus 60. Now here plus 60 written in opposite side and change the sign. So written here minus 60. Okay, 9x minus 10x, that means minus x greater than equal to minus 120. Now here x is variable and here outside minus sign is present. So remove this minus sign Now how can we remove this minus sign? So in both the side multiply minus sign, and after here both the side multiply minus sign, so here inequality change, here greater than, in place of return less than equal to form, so x less than equal to 120, and remove minus sign in both these sides. So our final answer, the solution set is, okay, here arrow is going from infinite side minus infinite side, right? So our final answer minus infinity to 120. Here less than equality form is present, so that's why here we can return closed interval form.